Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix that the Live 360 is not working. So first of all you have to just check that your app is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update your app and your problem will be resolved. And the second method is that you have to just open your mobile settings and now search here the app management or the app and notification. Click on the app settings and now search here your app as Live 360. Just tap on it and here you have to just tap on the permissions option. Here you have to just click on the location and allow all the time, and then again click on the storage and then it allow it as well, as these two features are necessary for Live 360 to work. After this your problem will be resolved. Now you have to move back and now tap on the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and turn these two options on. After this you have to just move back. After this you have to just turn the battery saver off. By doing so your Live 360 will be able to work. After this you have to just restart your device or mobile phone that you are using. After restarting your problem will be resolved. If not, then you have to just move on the next step. Just open the mobile settings and click on the app management and then app settings and search here the Live 360 and then click on the storage and the cache. Here you have to just click on the clear cache and then clear storage and then press OK. After doing so, check that if the app is working or not. You have to just uninstall this application and reinstall it. After this your problem will be resolved. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.